Hello, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I'm a little sick. Okay, so if my voice is sounding very weird, you know why. And I'm also dyeing my hair. Okay, I hope you're not too distracted by it. So anyways, I have the June LookFantastic unboxing for you. And guess what? It's June 8th and it's here already. Have you watched my video with like the trouble that I had last month? Where I think my box got lost. But I'm not going to show. Here it is. It doesn't sound very secure, does it? Oh my. These new box. You want to see how my box arrived? I swear to God, if something in here broke, like what is this? LookFantastic. What? Why? It's like tissue paper folded once. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, what is this? Coupon, whatever. So here is the card, which I just dropped, and apparently the theme is surreal summer. We'll see. I already see something that I would not use. So this is what the leaflet looks like. What's in the box? Okay, we're gonna start with this. This is the NARS blush in orgasm. What else would it be? It's always the orgasm blush, isn't it? I feel like once they found out that this is working well for them, they have just been using that word over and over and over again. That is the smallest thing I've ever seen in my life. Do you see? Oh, it looks very, very beautiful. I will use this because I think it's beautiful. Not as pigmented as you might think it is, but it's still gorgeous. The ultimate authority in blush with a natural, healthy looking color that immediately enlivens complexion. It's the ultimate peachy pink with a solid golden shimmer and is even universally flattering for every skin tone. Achieve a sun-kissed finish like you've been basking on the beach all summer with its buildable and blendable formula. This is worth $6.88. It's very cute, but I don't know if I have a brush that's actually this small. Like a blush brush that's this small, but we will see. I will definitely try that. Then we have this here. What the hell is that? It looks cool, but it also looks weird. Okay, so this is aloe vera gel. 99% by Holika. And it looks like the aloe plant, obviously. Aloe soothing gel calms down redness and sensitive face and body. Apply to dry and sensitive skin as often as needed. I'm intrigued. Suitable for use all of the body and as an after sun for sensitive skin, this Korean skincare gel glides onto the skin without any stickiness to moisturize and soothe any redness or inflammation and banish dryness. It can even be used on hair to soften strands and improve elasticity. This multi-purpose 99% aloe vera formula will have you healthy and radiant from top to toe. It's worth $4.50. This is obviously not the full size. I think this is the full size, but it doesn't say it. So I don't know if this is full size or not. It looks cool though, but also a little weird. Up next we have Philip Kingsley Pure Color. Oh, what a coincidence that I'm dyeing my hair right now. Frizz Fighting Gloss. I think we had this before. I'm not sure. Oh no. I already see that I got something that I didn't really want. Anyways, you'll see that later. So, get your glossy strands in check with a straight talking hair treatment. This blow dry gloss reigns in taming frizz and flyaways and extends the vibrancy of color treated tresses. The conditioning formula revives stressed strands with a surge of moisture to encourage a high shine, silky smooth and mane. Equipped with heat protective properties, it helps increase resilience and defense against styling damage. It's worth £11. Wow, look at that. We have the first full-size product in here. And that's the Luvia eyeshadow primer. Now, if you know me, I never use eyeshadow primer. Ever. But now that I have one, I might as well. I'm not going out to the store and buy an eyeshadow primer because I just don't really need it. But if I get one, of course I will use it. It's like a very, very thin consistency. Literally feels like water. Smells a bit. If you're a 90s kid and you had plastic action figures, it smells like that. Plastic. Yeah, like a very, very liquid consistency. I know some eyeshadow primers are a bit thicker, like a paste, but you know, obviously this is not. Like I said, This is the full size and it's worth $14.90. Achieve flawless eyeshadow with this sumptuous eyeshadow primer. This lightweight liquid helps to blur the appearance of fine lines, offering a silky smooth cake-free base. Whether you use cream or powder eyeshadow, this primer helps to ensure long-lasting wear with a minimal fallout. Second last. Oh, we had this before. I think last year. Not this one, but you know, like this range. So this is the Hydrating Facial Glow Rose Facial Tan Mist by Mine Tan Body Skin. So basically, you spray it on your face every single day, and day by day you get tanner. The other one that we had was the, I think the normal version. This is the rose water version. Comes out the same thing, and I actually really enjoyed it. So I will definitely use this one. This is worth $9.95. Enhance your natural radiance with this dewy facial tan mist, a luxurious gradual tan that promotes longer-lasting color and helps you to build a golden glow. Enriched with soothing rose water, the ultra-hydrating facial mist softens and conditions to help maintain the skin's pH balance. Better yet, there's no unpleasant fake tan smell. Now last but not least, where I said I got something I didn't want to get, even though it's a full size. So you could either get the Laneige Berry Lip Sleeping Mask, which I have currently, I'm using, I really enjoy it, or you would get this, the Revolution Brow Soap and Care thing. I will probably sell this because I'm just not going to use it. I don't do anything with my brows. And definitely not like a soap thing. I'll show you what it looks like. Literally a piece of soap. Put it back in here. Like I said, I will sell it or give it to someone or whatever, because I am not going to use that. Okay, so like I said, this is the full size. And it's worth £6. It's time for some serious TLC with this soap brow styler designed to bring out your best brows. It has a nourishing formula infused with jojoba and castor oil to help keep your brow area hydrated. Whether you're going for sleek and smooth laminated edges or a messy brow look, this styler has you covered all day long. Okay, so that was everything that was in the box, and I'm actually excited about everything, apart from this, but I can easily sell that. The rest, I'm looking forward to. It's not that bad of a box. I just wish there was an actual box, not just everything just thrown in here. Imagine if the blush would have been broken. That would have been, wow, that would have been terrible. So up next we have Poolside Essentials. So they have the rose oil and the soap wrapping. Pack in 3 steps, you know, what you're supposed to pack. Always pack after sun. NARS Make Me Blush. So a whole article about NARS and how you can actually use the blush as an eyeshadow. I might try that. How to spend your summer Sundays. So a whole page on the Laneige Lip Sleep Mask, and I don't have it. I mean, I have it, but I don't have it in the box. I actually take it back because it's basically just a whole spread about the LookFantastic beauty team using the products that we got here. And then we have a Fight or Flight Frizz with Philip Kingsley. What about the brand? And then join the box club. Yeah, obviously, if you want to get a box and what to do. And then we have a LookFantastic and Iconic London box that you can buy. And then, last but not least, the sneak peek for July is Powder Puff Duos, which I will also not use and probably sell or give to someone. And that's it. That was everything that was in the box. Usually I would do empties, you know, like products I use up, but I just can't. My voice is just absolutely horrendous right now. So let me know if you ever tried any of these products before. I'm actually looking forward to all of them. Yeah. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. And see you next one.